Hi, this is Nancy, and thank you for turning this on. This is from a comment about what I meant about stopping addictions. My mother gave me my first cigarette when I was 14. She thought it would calm me down like it did for her. Not. For years, I smoked on and off. I'd quit, then come back again and again. It wasn't just an addiction. It was the only way my mom knew how to bond with me. One day, a chiropractor good friend gave me some advice. He said, clean your lungs, your liver, your colon, and maybe, just maybe, you'll feel the shift. I added something to that, something I believe in. Every time I picked up a cigarette, I imagined my hand was not picking it up. I imagined it was painting or leading an orchestra, things I couldn't do and never did. Anything but smoking. I created a vision so compelling, so strong that I focused on it a lot. My brain eventually stopped recognizing the habit. And then it happened one day, I just stopped. I didn't even realize it. I simply didn't smoke. A student said, "You're not smoking?" And I joked, "I never did," but inside, I knew I was free. I couldn't even tell you what a pack looked like. If you're trying to quit anything, don't fight it, replace it. See yourself doing something better and fall in love with that, something beautiful, something fun. Don't worry if you never get to do it. It is much more important that you are training the brain to break an old pattern that doesn't work in your life and create one that's great for you in imagination, curiosity, and fun. You'd be surprised what your mind can do. It's just your machine. So, that's my story on breaking any habit I don't like. I create something else. Dr. George Goodhart, founder of Applied Kinesiology and dear, dear friend, many years before he left this earth, said, nature abhors a vacuum. Make sure you fill it in with something much better. And that's my take on breaking an addiction. I hope it helps some of you. Thank you. And this is Nancy. Thank you for stopping by and watching. And if you're not a subscriber, please become one. Thank you.